Hello dear students, class 7th, grammar and me 6th topic verbs. You know what are verbs? Verbs are action word. To do something is to perform a verb. Verb is used to express an action done by a person or a thing, the state of a person or a thing, what is possessed by a person or a thing. ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं. एक्सरसाइज ए बिगिन करते हैं. Here are some interesting questions. Fill in the blanks with verbs. To be able to read them properly, choose from the box. Which words rhyme with month? Which is the shortest sentence in the English language? Which common word comes from the phrase God be with you? How many words can you find in there and without rearranging the letters? Name the 10 most frequently used English words. Which word has the most number of meanings? What do you call a sentence that has all the letters of the alphabet? What is a palindrome? Which verb becomes a nationality when it begins with a capital letter? Okay, let's begin with the synonyms and antonyms. मैं बता देती हूँ. Synonym होता है same meaning, antonym होता है opposite meaning. ठीक है, इन वर्ड्स के साथ इन वर्ड्स को ऐड कर देंगे गिवन वर्ड्स के साथ और बनाएंगे इसका एंटोनिम. मिसप्लेस एनी यूटेंसिल्स. विल यू फाइंड एनी इंग्रेडिएंट डिसअपियर. Do not misuse the facilities. Kindly do not disobey rules. Placing plasticware in ovens and microwaves is discouraged for any obvious reason. This they will melt your time and your time in the kitchen will be misspent. If you need to use cling film, please be careful while unrolling the sheet. Feel free to experiment in my kitchen. Disregarding measuring indications in recipes will be at your own risk. You may find your dishes unpalatable if you ignore measurements. Do not disrespect anyone. If you are unsure of any other directions, check with me. Remember, once something has been done, it cannot be undone. Got it? आगे चलते हैं. अब वर्ड्स हैं उनके सिनोनिम्स दिए हैं, सेम मीनिंग्स दिए हैं, उससे मैच करेंगे. सीज, कैप्चर, ऑर्डर, कमांड, चेंज, मॉडिफाई, लीव, abandon, admit, confess, abstract, hinder. ठीक है, 7th पे चलते हैं. eject, expel, own, possess. 9, destroy, eradicate. 10th, foretell, predicate, submit, amend, submit, surrender, improve, amend. Now replace the words in the gray with their synonyms. Put a cross where synonym is not required. The police seized the papers. Seized का है captured. The principal ordered. The students command. She has changed. Modify, modify. Everybody left the mall. Left. Abundant, abandoned. I admitted, confess, confess, confess. I cannot foretell, hinder. नेक्स्ट टू में क्रॉस आएगा. ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं. वर्ब्स दैट कन्फ्यूज, कन्फ्यूजिंग वर्ब्स. ओहो, बहुत सारी हैं. बेयर, डिफर, डाई, आंसर, रिप्लाई, डाउट, सस्पेक्ट, डेफी, फ्लोट, बोरो, लैंड, होल्ड, कैच, ग्रैब. ज़रा अच्छे से पढ़ लेना इन्हें. इसके बाद मैं आपको कराती हूँ एक्सरसाइज डी. राइट अ शॉर्ट समरी ऑफ द क्लासिक एन ऑफ ग्रीन गेबल्स बाय लूसी मॉड. मैथ्यू एंड मेरिला Cuthbert decided to adopt a baby to help out Matthew on the farm. She was growing old. When Matthew reaches the railway station, he discovers a little girl, Anne, instead of a boy. Matthew decided that he likes Anne but doubts whether Marilla will keep her. Marilla defers her decision till she finds how the mix-up happened soon. However, Marilla admits that she finds Anne cheerful and charming and refuses to send her back. Matthew and Marilla decide to raise her. Next, due to different upbringing, Annie finds it difficult to follow the instructions and often defies Marilla, but she is an honest young girl who does not hesitate to confess when she does something wrong. Annie easily holds grudges but cannot bear to see someone miserable. Annie gets into many scraps throughout the book. She accidentally dyes her hair green. Annie is talkative and likes to lend her imagination to every situation. It's delightful to listen to her talk. One verb for several words. Interesting topic है. चलिए let's begin. Words हमें given है. When village saw Sachin, he went to meet. He approached to meet him. The temperature in this region keeps changing, continuously fluctuates. Tara is always ready to help, assist, AIIST. The magistrate declared Roshan not guilty of the crime, declared acquitted, ACQUITTED, acquitted. The little baby smiled, beamed, BEAMED, beamed. The children have not been talking among themselves, chattering, CHATTERING. The blind lady gently moved her hand along the back of her dog. It stroked. The nation was greatly shocked, stunned. The Marathas fought and once against, overcame. The students have learned, memorized. Rebecca's father urged and convinced her, persuaded her. For the pie, you will have to boil the potatoes, then crush, mash. After a short break, the students resumed, RESUMED. I shall be glad to lend, LEND. Bani watched her mother take the money out, withdraw, WITHDRAW, withdraw. To move the crocodile back and forth till the baby goes to sleep is rock, ROCK. Two armed men saw to it, guarded. Nitish took no notice, ignored. Fill in the blanks with certain verbs that can replace the words in the bracket. Veena lived in a cottage near the woods. Her 4 grandchildren, Vinay, Preeti, Ashish and Riya, visited her for the summer vacation. One day Vinay had an idea. Grandma, can we dash the woods? Suggested to explore. Beena exclaimed, not at all, it's not safe. Priya whispered, which bears yellow blossom. Children agreed and decided to play hide and seek. The children entered the woods and halted at a distance from the clump of trees. Vinay, the oldest of the lot, bullied Ashish into being a seeker. Riya sat with her knees bent, crouched. If she slid into the small pit that lay behind a bush, 12 है visible, 13th है clambered. ठीक है. Vinay sat on the branches thinking how he would enjoy watching his 3 cousins. 14th का है searching. He also engrossed in his thoughts when he felt a large coarse paw grip him by the collar. Vinay froze. 16th है realizing that he was being held by a big huge baboon. The next moment Vinay lost his balance and landed on the ground. Vinay tumbled down the tree. ठीक है, अब ये फॉर्मेशन ऑफ वर्ब्स आप देख लो जल्दी से, उसके बाद मैं आपको बताती हूँ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. डिपार्चर, डिपार्ट. एवेपोरेशन, इवेपोरेट. कनेक्शन, कनेक्ट. रिक्वायरमेंट, रिक्वायर. कन्फर्मेशन, कन्फर्म. प्रोटेक्शन, प्रोटेक्ट. रिकग्निशन, रिकग्नाइज. स्पीच, स्पीक. लुक, लुक. फॉर्मेशन, फॉर्म. गवर्नमेंट, गवर्न. नॉलेज, नो. ग्रोथ, ग्रो. एजुकेशन, एजुकेट. फ्रीडम, फ्री. कम्युनिकेशन, कम्युनिकेट. ठीक है, इसी के साथ ख़त्म होते हैं पेज 72 तक. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है सब्जेक्ट वर्ब अग्रीमेंट. पेज नंबर 73 ऑनवर्ड्स आई विल अपलोड इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. चलते हैं और मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अब बाय बाय.